Hi guys. Oops, sorry about my hair. So yesterday I got a Lego set for my birthday. I got it from my grandma. It's like a Lego Creators. Oop. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Oh, sorry. My mom was pointing over here. So yeah, I got this Lego Creator and I opened it. One. That was bag one. The instructions. Oh, oops. So here. Bag three. Bag two. I think I dropped some. Oh, I sure did. Oh, the Jenga block. I'll get that later. This is for bag one. And then nothing else. So, see you when I build the Lego. I'm so sorry about that. Bye.